Hope you're having a fabulous day, and I wanted to ask you, do you know what's standing in your way of your success? You know, there's so many goals we set in family, fitness, food, career, whatever it may be, and sometimes we just keep turning our wheels and we never get there. The obstacle might be the way. And sometimes we're sabotaging our own success, and we need to get out of our way and just get moving. And so, you know, when you have a coach or you have a mentor that can help push you through, help you overcome being paralyzed by perfectionism and understanding that done is better than perfect and that you can only reap the rewards for done, then you're actually going to start to move forward and get out of your comfort zone. Because I see it all the time, especially in women. We won't ask for help. We just keep turning our wheels. We try to do it ourselves, and we're just not getting anywhere. And if anything, we're just getting more frustrated. And so you have to ask yourself, what habits are standing in your own way? And then are you actually the obstacle that's in the way of your own success? Do you need to get out of your own way and just go? And so if that's something that you're struggling with, I want you to think about what's one thing you can do today to get out of your comfort zone. So for example, maybe it's in fitness. Well, put on your shoes, get outside, and just go. Don't even think about it. Don't even have to have a plan. You know, we overthink things and then we just don't do anything. You know, maybe it's meal prepping. Well, either put a time in your schedule or delegate it to someone else and use a meal prep service. Or maybe you have this idea, you've always thought about changing careers and you feel obligated to your career and you just don't do it, but yet it just digs at you and digs at you. Well, find someone who's in that same path, someone who's maybe transitioned out of corporate life into entrepreneurship. Hire them as a coach, have them take you through that journey. It's so much easier when you have someone that can help keep you accountable, who's gone through that path before successfully. Yeah, then you'll get there. So ask yourself, are you the one that's standing in your own way? Are you sabotaging your own success? And what do you need to do to get outside of your comfort zone? Because yeah, it's comfortable to stay exactly where we are, doing the same thing we've always done. But if you keep doing what you've always done, you're going to get what you've always gotten. And so if this is resonating with you at all, I really do encourage you to check out some of my programs, because I have a Fit Fab Fearless program, and this is exactly what it is, to help women get out of their own ways, to better balance food, fitness, family, and career, and start living the life that they've imagined, like make it happen. All right, so let me know below too what you're gonna do to get out of your own way and just go and make it happen. Have a good one.